Welcome back guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today we would like to talk about a Bittensor TAO USDT trading pair with my customer maker set local updates. Let's dive in. Guys, I hope you'll watch all my previous videos. I posted 3 videos about Bittensor main bull run plan and 2 videos with the updates. So first, after the bull run plan, I posted the targets, potential targets. So this was impulse. Here's a pump. From let's count, it's on a max chart on a max. From $45 we pump it to 395, and after this correction to 0.5 level by fifth we pump it. And you remember I posted the video, so we will see the correction because usually it after that it's happening with the Métis. You know, when the Binance lists some token, it's not bullish. It's usually bearish one because the people use the Binance, you know, to distribute their tokens. So that's the case. So the people on a Binance never accumulated coins. They accumulated, but after listing, after distribution, after correction. But mostly the whales unfortunately use the Binance like a bigger liquidity provider to distribute their bags. And imagine all this time period from February 2023. In range like $80, 45, the people accumulate, then pump, and they need some platform to distribute their bags to retails to bring the hype around. So this is how it works. So after 0.5 level by FIB, we pump here. At this case, the people talk, no, we go into the moon. You totally don't understand. You can go and check the comments to the people, right? We never dump under 300 again. So what are you talking about? So based on this FIB, you know, the 0.561 low by FIB still relevant, and yes, we can see this sweep. I hope not, but yes, unfortunately this block monthly gap, and I will show you which one is will be like a magnet now for the market makers. Here's a rejection at 27 level. You know what will be the next mistake. So this is like a monthly favorable gap. We didn't close it 50%. So the 50% of this monthly gap, it's $167. Of course, I don't want to see like you also the Bittensor. Even I'm not a holder, I'm not an investor, but 45%, it's a pretty bad scenario. I don't think so we'll jump to $85 like a full fill, not this year or not this cycle. And yes, I don't think so. The $775, it's the end of bull run for the Bittensor. We got a hype around the NVIDIA, we got a hype around the Fetch AI, in general around the AI sector. But I don't think so. This the end of bull run, just to be honest. What we can see now on data, you have to pay attention. So only 33% coins in circulation supply. Of course, the supply is not so big, right? But it's not, and the price is not so small one. The market cap now it's 2 billion. The highest point of the market cap was like 4.7 billion. And if we use this circulation supply, and I mentioned, we can hit even higher price target around 1,000. So yes, maybe it's going to be like 900, right? So 950. It can be like 7 billion market cap, 6.5, 7 billion market cap. It's more than real. Even 1,200, 8 billion market cap, more than real to see for TAO, Bittensor. That's why I don't think so. This is the end of bull run for Bittensor. Also, what will be the next mistake for retails? Here, what you can see now, if we dump like this one, for example, we sweep this liquidity, test it. Next step, when we move like this one and start to recover back, what people start drawing? People start draw the head and shoulder pattern, right? So, and you will see the so bearish sentiment. So take a look, just mark my words. So this block and this liquidity, it will be like a crazy K level where everybody start talking about a head and shoulder and start screaming, no, that it was the end of bull run. We go into next bear market. So I waited to buy the dip. But guys, I'm more than sure, but of course, it's just my subjective opinion, right? So we can see something like this one, then it will be longer time, right? Then recover back. It can be like a reversal, head and shoulder, you know, and then pump it. And the size of this reverse head and shoulder will be over than this liquidity pool, over than 500. But the retails will just start drawing just the basic head and shoulder. and we'll be wrecked. So at this area, a lot of people will open a short position. So in this case, this like support block now, of course we can move even from this current price. Why not? Forming just a structure, right? So like this one, higher high, higher low. Why not? More than real. But I would like to see the test at least of this monthly block and the sweep of this liquidity pool 189 and 166 would be good. If not, I will be more than okay to see even something like this move. But just be careful with this coin because of unlocks, because of circulatory supply and potential market cap. But of course, 700 is not an end of a bull run for this token. Take a look what my customer said. And in the last video, I showed why after listing on Binance, we can going down because all this time period, there was a distribution zone. So this was accumulation, this was distribution. Now no new signal on direction to buy Bittensor. Got it. Market mode. Here also I showed you before or after listing on Binance, we been here in a crazy distribution zone. We need to see some capitulation, disbelief, depression zone on the market mode. So now it's hope. So everything looks good. Also money power, and I recommend you, yes, go and check the last video. So here was a money outflow, RSI bearish divergence. Finally here is we got a money inflow. That's why I would like to see something like this one, for example, and new money inflow column here. So that's the case. But of course, it's not necessary. So we will dump to this block. Maybe tomorrow Bitcoin reverse move, we move way higher. So it was a signal to buy. This was a signal to take profit, sell. No new signal to accumulate coin or sell, you know. So it was a main signal to sell exactly after Binance listing. And last indicator is take profit. Take profit indicator on the weekly. Unfortunately, we don't have the data. This one here, in that video I showed you on a daily, we can test the buy line. So we traded around here, I guess, 500. So here, this is a buy line. We tested 300. Here, fundamental wall of this coin is 223. And with a weak candle, we can sweep this one. So it will be more than good test. If not, of course, guys, if not, positive signal. If you want to take a risk, right? We can move like this one to take profit line. Take profit line now it's 600. But if we pump to this area and reject, pretty bearish scenario. So guys, I hope everything will be good with the Bittensor, and I hope we will see the Bittensor over than 700 again. But keep in mind the local support block. Keep in mind the trap with the head and shoulder pattern, right? Classic one. And if you would like to trade with my customer said what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.